Most people don't know about the Purge. Our people were surveilled, dehumanized, and held under the microscope like a science experiment. For this national monument, we have reclaimed the very lens that oppressed us to invite an outward view of acceptance and belonging, carving a new space for community to heal, to reflect, and to grow. At the heart of the form is the pink triangle, a symbol of our community's history. Landing on unceded territory, the lens rises up from the landscape, defying gravity in a feat of active resistance. The landscape responds, pushing to the edges of the site in celebration of the 7 grandparent teachings. Looking outward, the lens acknowledges that we have always existed within the monuments and institutions that surround us. In the daytime, we wear our armor. At night, we show our true colors, a duality built on survival. This monument is less artifact and more action, a safe space for our community and a precedent for the world.